All right, so I gave him 15 beginner core exercises. I gave him 15 intermediate, 15 advanced core exercises. What am I missing? Hey, what's up guys? Giancarlo here from GC3 Fitness, and in today's video, I'm gonna give you 15 weighted core exercises to start building those nice and blocky abs so they stand out more. You ready to try these out? Let's go. Alright guys, so at this point, I've given you over 60 different core exercises that you can start implementing into your daily routine. Alright, yes, I've given you from beginner all the way to advanced, so pick your favorite ones. And now I finished this last fourth video on weighted core exercises, okay? Now, remember, these weighted core exercises are really good on emphasizing on getting those nice and blocky abs to actually pop out, right? There's nothing wrong with the body weight exercises, right? I love implementing those, but if you want to get some size, right, some actual definition, something to stand out, focus on these weighted exercises, okay? Whether you're beginner, intermediate, advanced, or you want to take it to the next level and add some weighted exercises, pick some holds, pick some ones with repetitions, focus on 30 seconds to 45 seconds of a specific exercise, focus on 12 to 15 of another exercise, right? And progressively work your way up every other day, week by week, okay? One more thing that I also feel like a lot of people don't emphasize is that mind-muscle connection to the actual movement. What do I mean? I'm gonna give you an example of a crunch. So when going into that crunch, right, finishing at the top of the exercise, focus on squeezing, letting all of your air out. At the top, at this point I have nothing left but my core, my abs, and I'm squeezing, taking a deep breath, letting everything out, okay? One by one, rep by rep. Focus on that mind-muscle connection again and squeezing and really contracting the muscle. That will give you your biggest bang for your buck. One more thing. Just by doing core exercises, just by doing 50, 100, all these 60 exercises, this does not mean you're gonna go from where you are to getting abs out of nowhere, okay? You have to focus on nutrition and you have to focus on being in that caloric deficit if you wanna start losing some body fat, all right guys? Focus on your nutrition. These core exercises are a supplement to your training, all right? All right guys, if you like this video, hit me with a like. subscribe, tap that little bell so you guys get notified when I post. As for now, I'm gonna get ready for our next video. Stay tuned for next Monday, brand new YouTube video. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. That's how I feel after I do something for you guys. Let's go. Oh, by the way, you guys check out my stand socks. By the way, yep, Space Jam. These are the monsters in case you guys haven't checked them out. All right, stay tuned for my next socks in my next video. It's one of my favorite things, stand socks. I'll make sure to put them in the link below. Let's go.
Stuck, I see feet in the mud. You have been caught in the flood. While the water is